Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Redotpay virtual card is active and loaded. This ensures funds and permissions are present. Once done, open the app and verify ATM withdrawal is allowed and your balance covers the cash you need. Make sure you have the virtual PAN, expiry, CVV, and a transaction PIN ready. Write the PIN in a secure place if needed. This initial check prevents declines at the ATM and saves time, so don't skip it. Now you move to the ATM stage. Choose a compatible machine that accepts cardless or code-based withdrawals. Once at the ATM, open the Redotpay app and generate the single-use code or enable NFC/cardless mode. This gives the machine the temporary credentials it needs. Enter the withdrawal amount and confirm any network or operator fee in the app, then use the temporary code or NFC tap to authenticate. After confirmation, the ATM will dispense cash. Keep the receipt for records. To finish, verify the app shows the updated balance and note the transaction ID. This confirms the withdrawal cleared. If the single-use code or NFC fails, regenerate the code or force close and reopen the app, then reattempt within the code's validity window. This fixes most sync issues. If problems persist, contact Redotpay support immediately with the error code and transaction ID so they can trace the attempt. Following these steps secures your cash and resolves common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.